Hi, it's Lalulu. I'm making a giant Roomie, a big one, a smaller Roomie, and a teeny tiny mini Roomie. I've got a secret surprise ball right here. Let's open it right away. Okay. Oh, whoa, it has 5 compartments. In the first one, just some parts. We won't need those. Oh, and here's a tiny doll. I'll turn her into Roomie. Got it. Outfit, hairstyle. Everything's clear. First, I'll measure her height. What do we have here? Only 1.6 inches. Okay, I need to remove the plastic hair. Use a special manicure drill bit. The main thing is to not shave off too much. Done! I use acetone and a cotton swab to remove all the paint. Carefully. Super! And here's our new palette. Yeah! And a whole set of brushes. Let's begin. I paint the eyes, color the hair purple, and paint a new outfit, adding some gold. This Roomie is missing the most important thing. A long braid, just like in the reference. Make it from this yarn. I'll need a tiny hook. Crochet a braid of the right length. Done! I attach it with a drop of glue. Beautiful! Let me compare it with the original. It looks very similar. I bet this is the tiniest Roomie in the world. Yep, 1.6 inches. So cool. Oh, I got a package from Amazon. Ordered another Roomie. I can't wait to open it. Oh, is that Mavis from Hotel Transylvania? Ah! Oh my gosh! Oh, hey, stop! Where are you going? Dracula, your daughter is still needed here. Well, she doesn't look like Roomie at all. Oh, no worries, I'll start with the hair. The old hair has to go. You know, new haircut, new life. Shoo! Wow, that sparkle is intense. I definitely need glasses for this. Cover it with a foil cap for now. My favorite accessory. Let's see what materials I've got. Aha! This ribbon can work as a braid. Oh, it doesn't hold at all. Fine, I'll have to put in some effort. Pull a thread from the edge of the ribbon and carefully unravel it row by row. I need to cut it to the needed length, leaving one edge intact. Lightly seal the cut edge. Time to take off the cap. I apply glue and attach piece by piece, gradually filling the whole head. Oh, hi there! Roomie, can you see me?
Hey!
No? The hair needs to be brushed back. I gather it into a ponytail. There. There should be 5 in total. I split a strand in half and twist it back. Secure it with an elastic. I repeat along the length. The hairstyle is done. Now makeup. I wipe everything off with a swab. I said, wipe it off. Ugh, this is taking forever. A cotton pad will be faster. Voila, clean face. I'll start with the eyes. Picking the paint. With a thin brush, I fill in the white base. Just like that. Super duper. Brown eyes. Great. Pink lips. Oh my goodness. This outfit doesn't suit Roomie. I'll sew her a brand new cool look. I cut the white fabric. Oh, 1 second. I stitch the pieces. Try the top on the doll. And matching shorts. I decorate the top with purple ribbons. A star in the center, a gold ribbon belt. Boom! And here's the jacket. That's it! I'll add some sparkle. Cut lapels from glitter foam. Pop! Gorgeous! I've got a whole jewelry box here. Choose diamond epaulets. Perfect match! The outfit is ready! Time for shoes! Let's try these boots on Roomie. Oops, looks like they're too big. Wrong doll. Oh, Roomie is not happy. I'll have to make boots by hand. I cut along the outline. Great! The top and the shafts will be made from white foam. Wrap the sole with a gold strip. Using a thick needle, I thread the laces. The boots turned out amazing! The small Roomie look is complete! Yay! I did great! Time for a bigger fish! Here comes another package! Unboxing! Come on! Paper, more paper, and here's the doll! Oh, it's Mavis again! Fine, I've handled this before. Let me take a closer look at the outfit. Perfect, let's begin! The hair is not good at all. Boom! Now I'll show you how to reroot the hair. I'll need sewing needles. Take a medium one. I fix it in a special holder. Cut off the tip with pliers. I grab a strand and insert it into the hole. It's such delicate work. But hey, I chose this job myself. And look at that luxurious hair! Oops, don't forget the back of the head. Every beauty dreams of hair like this. I separate the top strands and make a high ponytail. Voila! We need 5 ponytails total.
Excellent!
Pop! Roomie, don't fall! What's going on? I need to secure the stand better. Paper tape will do the trick. I'll also fix the legs. All set, time for the hairstyle. I already showed how to braid this style. Split a strand and wrap it around the ponytail. I secure it with an elastic. Then I braid the length into a regular braid. Carefully. It's turning out great. I secure it and fluff it gently. Yep, just like that. A little hairspray for smoothness. Perfect hairstyle done. Peekaboo? Oh no, Vampire Roomie is cringe. Grr. I need to repaint this quickly. First, acetone. I dip a cotton swab and carefully wipe everything.
1, 2, 3, go! Got the candy jar.
Remove leftovers with a pad.
Look at all these beautiful shiny little things. Snip, snip, snap, we are cutting the
Cleaning the
lace.
teeth is tricky, but I did it.
Cut
Hey, I don't like that at all. Don't you? I want pretty lips like that. Before starting, I spray the doll's face with matte sealant. Great. Now I need pastels. Pick up some pink and blush the cheeks. Nice. Onto the eyes. Boom, pencils. I need a white watercolor one. It makes a perfect base. Yes, that's it. Purple brows. With a thin brush, I paint bright brown eyes. Soft pink lips. Awesome! With sparkly purple gel polish, I draw lightning on the doll. Just a little more. Done! Now I cure it in the lamp. Turning it on. Almost like a tanning bed. What a beauty! While she's sunbathing, I'll work on the outfit. I had some cool silver fabric somewhere. But first, patterns. I mark paper tape right on Roomie. Done! I stick it onto the fabric. Oh, here are the scissors. Cut along the outline, leaving small allowances. I peel off the tape and try it on. Glue the strap. Now I mark the bottom. That's the shorts pattern. I cut the pieces, sew them by hand. Yep. Shorts are ready. I put them on the doll. The outfit looks amazing. It needs a gold chain. I secure accessories on the belt. Decorate the top edges with gold half beads. Beautiful! I cut a strip of glitter foam. That's the belt. Matching boots. The big Roomie looks stunning. The look is incredibly stylish, exactly like the original. I love these tattoos. And the hair. Gorgeous from every angle. I really enjoyed working on her. She's just... Oh, what was that noise? A huge hello to everyone. Wow, truly huge. Oh, her arm is as long as the whole small Roomie. This will be the biggest Roomie in my collection. Time to remove the old dress. I'll sew her a new one. Ooh, hey! Don't be shy, you're a doll. The hair looks amazing. But sadly, it has to go. Don't worry, no one leaves my salon unhappy. By the way, I've already made hair for Roomie. Oh, well that doll was smaller. This definitely won't be enough. These strands won't work. I know, big doll, big wig. Now that's better. Just need to brush it well. I separate a ponytail. Blah, blah, you already know what to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ponytails. And the braid is ready. I'll make it fluffier. Trim the ends. Great, moving on to the outfit. Oops, wrong size again. That's what I need. Place the doll on the fabric and trace it. I cut the pieces with scissors. Put them together and pin them. I lightly seal the edges. Sew on the machine. Shorts and a top are ready. I try them on Roomie. Right here. Perfect fit! It does need a jacket. This fabric will work great. I tear it. Now scissors. I sew it by hand. Roomie, put your arms through. The jacket turned out fabulous. Gold accessories, a sparkling belt, wing-shaped ear cuffs. My giant Roomie looks incredible. It's just like clay. I cover the legs with it. Make a front cut. Okay, brush. Paint. I draw gold stripes. Coat it with clear polish. I add drops of hot glue to secure the lacing. Done! The giant Roomie took a bit more materials, but it was worth it. The look turned out super bright and stylish. And here are all 4 beauties. Micro Roomie, Small Roomie, Regular Roomie, and Giga Roomie. Isn't this incredible? So different, yet so alike. Write in the comments which Roomie you liked the most, and head over to the next video. Bye-bye!